Subscribers, everyone is very good evening. So you have see the first time in our channel, you have subscribe in channel. So after visit the videos, we'll see these videos. Otherwise, go to playlist. We have the playlist will be there. Okay, you will see the playlist videos. You have study something. You want to study something in the market, earning the market. You learn to something. Okay, otherwise if have any doubt will be there means you have asked the question, read it description and write the email. Okay, we'll see for the Nifty Bank Nifty tomorrow trading levels. Okay, I will delete these things, those things. So what is Nifty view? We right now in the monthly chart. Okay, so market already will see in the market level 26,330, 36, 30. 26,326. This is all-time high. Okay, I will mention to we mention to all-time high. Let's go to for weekly chart. Market right now, what happened here? Low and high after retest in the market. Okay, zero point 0.618 or 0.618, 25,706. This is the level. Okay, after breaking this level, market come to downtrend. We'll expecting for, otherwise this is stop loss. We will go to for day chart. Otherwise you go to C4, take it this levels 25,845, 26,331. This low, this high. Okay, after breaking for these levels, you will go to take it by entry. So you will see for this last candle. Buyers also pushing. Market will become 25,700. Buyers come buy it, push to this candle and closing to top of the candle. So okay, what I think market will be going to uptrend for coming days. This overall trend is downtrend, but market will be coming the near sideways market near. Okay, day chart. So what is here happen means market will be continuous sell trend. Market reach it for target or support. Okay, after here booking the profit. Okay, sellers are exit, buyers are coming in the market. After market will be pushing something small corrections. This is the right now scenario. So after market come around these levels or sideways market, you will take it tomorrow I will putting on video for after opening the market. You will mention 25,845, 26,331. This is the zone, trading zone. Okay, trading levels. So we will wait for the tomorrow. I will update. This is after 0.608, 25,933, or we will take it we will small traders. Okay, we will retail traders. We will we will uh, trade for institution traders. Okay, so we will trading for carefully. We are capital is very small capitals, so market will be running so very highly volatile and huge funds. So you will take it before the entry. You will analyze in the market after entering the uh, correct entry level. Market pushing the buyers right now. So after market reaching small consolidation or small air high or sideways zone, this zone. Okay, you will consider this after taking the entry. Once breaking for these levels, market came here. So tomorrow what will happen means market trade again sideways market here. Okay, I will update for tomorrow morning. So why means we will need to confirmation. So after the market breaking for this support or tend to result to again here. Okay, we need to confirmation. We wait to one day. We will see to Bank Nifty. So I will mention to monthly chart. So 60113 is high, market high. Weekly chart, market trading. These levels and support resistance. So weekly analysis and we will change for day chart. Okay. So market right now higher high. What is will we go to? Will report. Ten, so first level market reaching for 618, 0.618. market near come to 0.786. Okay, this levels Bank Nifty chart this. So we will need to work to some script working for some levels. Bank Nifty working for sometimes 0.5, or Nifty working for 0.608, sometime working for 0.786. This is different calculation will be there. We will see it for another sometimes. After breaking for these levels means market come to 1.608 level. So otherwise we will expecting. So weekly chart. Okay, what will be happen here? 4 days, 4 weeks, same happen here. So after we will see some breakouts, otherwise market moving any one direction. Okay, this is Nifty Bank Nifty levels. Don't forget, you like our videos means go on subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Okay, so thank you.